the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Be the fam.
Hello, my beautiful people. How una dey? Welcome back to Obidia TV. God bless you as you join me. God bless you for your support. May God bless all my old and new subscribers. Thank you all so much for the love. So, my people, what did this world they turn into? Our country, Nigeria, that country now, that is nothing evil when not they happen there. When we go they think about one wey don't happen, another one go they happen again. Why? And why be say today, why are mothers, women, why are they so wicked? Even more than Lucifer itself. Why is it like that? My people, e get video where I want make una see. Make I play am. I pray make una fit see the video. My people, now Yoruba now that they speak there. But whether you they hear the language or you know they hear the language, I believe say we know what happened there. Una see back whether they open that time. Now that boy, whether they force a trouser for in waist just now. Now that boy, now they inside that bag just now whether they try to open. Una see all these people. Now this one I constantly know now. Before I don't know, say these people, all this all those church where they wear white gown. Now she wear just now white gown, but who say na go to say na those church now she belong to, but no, she just dressed like them so that nobody go suspect them. I wish say those people even explain for the video, make we know how they take fee get them. You understand? Whether the boy come they cry, we don't know how they take cut them. But the most important thing that I'm happy, I just they happy for, be say they cash am and that pikin not die. When I see am, woman like that, can't dress like all this select church. They get mind, take carry pikin or another woman pikin, tie am like send a goat where she go buy for market. Put her for sack. Where she dey carry and they go. Sometimes our boys, our people, they know they do the right thing at the right time. Don't be say me at the talk say this thing. Then what I they try to talk. Una never see where the born small pikin of 9 years old because say thief Gary. They born her to arches. Born woman because say thief Gary, they go burn her, put fire for them. Then this one wait thief human be, what did they do? They not do anything. At least before police go come, they're supposed to grab all that woman, before police come. If police come, self, you not go even feel know whether na human being she be. They can't beat away they forgive them. That one for sweet me for belly. For sweet me for body well. I don't understand the kind of women where would they see today for that our country. All this kind of crime, you're not supposed to they see, we're not supposed to see with women. Because now woman I they carry pikin for 9 months. No the pain, no the stress. It get one music for Biniwe say Omora woman Omobalo Sokbositi. If you lost a child, the pain is more than bullet. How much more the one we lost? What do you think say the parents how they go feel? If pikin even die, you know say he die, you bury him. But the one where they carry comot, you don't know where it dey. The parents of that pikin they go grieve for the rest of their life. Most time you go they put eye for road. Maybe it go come now. 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 So you see, this one even worse past the one where die, where the parent go use the hand take bury. You understand? At least that one is manageable because he know say he die in burial. That the one where the thief come out. Every time you go, they think if you they eat, where my pikin dey now? He don't eat, me I they eat. Where my pikin dey now? Whether it they suffer, I don't know. Where my pikin dey now? Whether it's still dey life, it not dey life. You know all those kind of stuff. So mama and papa of that pikin no go ever get their self. So why are today women? Why are they so wicked? Not be all. Why are some of them so wicked? At the talk, no matter the suffer where they that our country, that suffer, I don't believe say this kind of crime of thieving that is taking another person's child for different purpose that is not good is not an option. You understand? At all. Why woman go get mind? I'm so happy for that boy. I really happy for that boy. And I'm happy for the parents of that boy. That boy, God really stand for him. God really stand for him. I know that's how what it come they happen again for our country. Oh. So, wait till why I bring this video say, make una they be careful, my people. Not be everybody now wear dress like celeb people. Now really be celeb, because that kind of person now approach you for road self. You go to say, this one a better Christian. Oh. You understand? If he even ask you now, he jam you maybe for supermarket, for salon or somewhere where be say, you understand? Just say, make a happy hold your pikin. You go to say na clean person, trust person because say he dress like celeb people. You not go know say fake day. He got one where happen that time for salon. The woman they do her. Carry your pikin, they come and see they cry. Say as the boy find me a happy hold on. Then the woman carry pikin give them. They come they gist. From there, before they know what they happen, don't grab pikin come out. So make we they be careful, my people. Not be everybody wear dress like Selena, I be Selena. Not be everybody wear dress like police, now I be police. You know that our country, anything they play, anything they happen for that country, you know go even know where to start, where to end. Eh? We not get better law now. This one now, where be one bad person pikin now. Don't be surprised. Now person will get money. Now he send out that message. They want pay him. You understand? And this kind one, that woman supposed to dey for inside. Make it chop Ojanovije. They no go leave him. For that evil act where she just commit, carry person pikin, tie am like say na animal put for sack. But don't be surprised, say Oga pata where they up, get up her hand and then send her. Tomorrow they go free him. That woman no good. He no go face any punishment. Now our country, that's so it be. Where we say if you get the money, the country, they your hand, you can remote it as you want. That's why our country be. I will say better law day. All this nyama zuo no go dey happen like that. One go happen today, the one will go happen tomorrow, now go worse pass. Waiting, now look na waka come. Nigeria, make we change for good. Make we change for good. So my people, now the video where I bring, now it be this. Make una share the video and make everybody be careful. Not be everybody we dress like Seleo, now be Seleo. Una see am now. Now make me bring the video. Make una help me share on my people. God bless you as you do so. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. Like this video, share it, leave your comments. We really appreciate that, and God will bless you as you do that. Thank you all so much. I'm so grateful for you guys always coming back to support me. I appreciate you all so much. God will bless you and reward you all. Thank you. Until I see you again on my next video. Keep safe, guys. Bye.